Hi, our fans and followers. We're so excited. We're a new YouTube channel, and therefore we're going to do a raffle where we give away 3 free consultations with our office. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe today. Today, in this video, I'm talking to you if you are a STEM graduate or a STEM professional. If you're watching this, of course you already know STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. STEM are careers in which America is in need of. Therefore, we have a lot of immigration options available for STEM graduates and professionals. I'd like to give you some examples today that are great paths for STEM graduates and professionals. Oftentimes, when a client comes to me and they're a STEM graduate or a STEM professional, they don't even realize, but they may qualify for a national interest waiver case. A national interest waiver case is a really great option because it's a self-petition. So these are good for people who don't have one particular employer or who may wish to work around and work for different employers. A national interest waiver case is a green card path, and so it's a great option to pursue if you are already accomplished in your field and you have received awards, recognitions, perhaps you have publications that you have already written. These are great paths for many immigrants. Some great examples are for someone who, for example, is a data scientist who doesn't just want to work for one corporation, but wants to be able to use their skills widely to help many employers in America. Another example may be a medical professional who has a very unique skill set, different than the average health professional, and who wants to work for different hospitals and health-related organizations to bring the biggest impact to America. For example, this might be someone who is doing work for the CDC as well as the NIH, somebody that doesn't want to be tied down to one single employer. And so this is one downside of an H-1B visa or other visa types sometimes, is that you're tied down to one particular employer. Again, the national interest waiver case is really great because you are not tied to one employer. You get to self-petition, and you can make sure that you can work for whoever you want to work for or with to bring the greatest impact. Of course, you can also bring your spouse and children with you under a national interest waiver green card path. However, let's say that you do really love your employer that you're working with and you would like to move forward with that employer specifically rather than embarking upon your own self-petition journey. That's totally fine, and we can help you with that as well. One way we help people with employers who are wishing to sponsor them is via the H-1B process. Now, an H-1B does require applying and being chosen in the lottery for most people. This is really great if you get chosen. However, an H-1B visa is, at the end of the day, just a non-immigrant visa still. There are other options as well. For example, if your employer is willing to sponsor you, a lot of people don't realize this, but your employer can sponsor you outright on a green card path. A lot of people come to me and they believe that you have to work for your employer on an H-1B first and then pursue the green card path. But I have actually helped many people move straight from an F-1 student visa when they were working on their master's degree or their PhD in the STEM field straight into green card sponsorship. These case types are often known as the EB-1 for people of extraordinary ability or the EB-2 perm employer sponsorship. There's also EB-3 if you have experience but less education. In addition, there are many other options as well. We have helped STEM professionals and graduates with EB-1 cases, EB-2 permanent employer-based cases, even EB-3 cases for people with a lot of experience but less education. Now, I know I just gave you a whole lot of options, but there are many more also. That's why I would like for you to call us today to book a consultation appointment so we can help figure out what's going to be the best path for you. Please text us today at the number above me so that we can get you booked in for a consultation appointment right away with an experienced immigration attorney at my office. So let's say that you don't quite qualify for, or you're not interested in an EB1, an EB2, or an EB3 path. There's also a unique visa called an O1 visa. This is a visa for people of extraordinary skill, and it's a really cool visa because we can be very creative when we file for an O1 visa. Recently, we have filed O1 visas for celebrity chefs, for celebrity traveling preachers, for celebrity ski instructors. So the O visa is a really great option for a lot of people. Again, sometimes we can pursue a creative O1 visa path for someone in a STEM field, but O's are also really great options for people in the creative and art fields. So if you're in the STEM field and you're watching this video, we've given you many options today, but I would like for you to call us to book a consultation appointment. There are many other options that may be available to you, but would love to sit down and talk with you about your personal experience, background, and educational history so we can determine what is going to be the best and most likely to be the most successful visa path for you. I'm Jennifer Bennett, and I'm an immigration attorney here in the United States. And I have been helping STEM graduates and professionals to fix their papers and secure permanent residency, one visa at a time.